What is going on, my Purpe fam? Guys, they tried, they failed, they did not hold us hostage. The heist community was not able to succeed, and we could see it from the price of Purpe. We are coming back up. So before we get started, guys, go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, and share it with your friends. So, Purple Pepe against the Thieves. And Purple Pepe won, as we can see in the price. We are looking at the price 2606. We broke out of this handle, the cup, the handle. We broke out of it, and this is absolutely amazing. We went flying up. We touched the 2 6s. We rejected it, and we kind of came a little bit down. So the only thing that we could do is come down to about the 2587 level, bounce off of that, and continue our way up. Let's see. So we got the market cap at 10.96, liquidity at 686.3. We got circulating supply at 420.66, and holders 4681. So, also what we got is Purple Pepe. I think what we need to do is we need to come down and touch, you know, so what happens normally is when you have a resistance, you need to break that resistance, come down, touch it, and flip it to support. That's normally what happens and what needs to happen. And so that's exactly what we did. I told you we were in this channel. We really need to push through, get past that support or that resistance, flip it into support, and it looks like we're doing that. So I think the RSI is coming back up too. Anything over 50 is a bullish sign. That means more buying than selling. So that is a positive thing. And let's see what we got. Let's see if there's anything on the Purpe X page. 12.7 followers. And let's see. So we just got these very, very bullish things. The feeling when we get listed on Coinbase. So guys, Coinbase is something that we are looking at getting. That is the goal. I think a lot of people, they have goals, and Coinbase is one of them. Binance is one of them. Crypto.com is one of them. KuCoin's one of them. Mexi is one of them. And so we still got a lot of things that can give us catalysts, that can give us a bullish momentum, bullish sentiment, and everything in that nature. So let me see, what else do we got? We got Coinbase. Let's see, 981 is the number that we are at. Let's see, we got, all right, so Bitcoin $87.7 thousand, Ethereum 2,900. We got Solana at 124, and we got Zcash at 5. Wow, Zcash at 514. That's crazy. Zcash is doing so well, and it's looking pretty good. But right now we are looking at the Fear and Greed 29 altcoin season. There's a lot more buying for Bitcoin than the altcoins, and the RSI is at 55.03. So that is what we're kind of seeing there. And yeah, tonight we got quite a bit going on. Let's see. So what's going on? So the Fed. So everyone thinks, or 15% of the people think that we're getting a rate cut here in January. And let's see. So we got on the Facebook group, we got 19.7 followers on the Facebook group. And so, you know, a lot of people are viewing Purple Pepe, and they are seeing the great things that Purple Pepe can do with that. So what do I see happening? You know, there is the next major resistance, I think, is for this to get back to the threes, right? We can have a good push up here, get back to the threes, And I think that's going to be our next level of major resistance. Is probably right around here at like the 295s, 30s. And so we can kind of see what happens when we get to that point. Let's see, what else do we got? Kind of a boring day in crypto, guys. Not too much. So 22.94% down for Q4. For Bitcoin, Ethereum is 28.91% down for that. And we have that when it comes to the quarters. A lot of people are kind of looking at the quarters and seeing the red, and I think a lot of people are seeing, like, we normally get one red, two green, one red, two green, one red, two green. So we got the one red quarter 4. So let's say we should be getting the two green in quarter 1 and quarter 2 of next year. So what I think is gonna happen, I think we're just having to finish out I think we're gonna have to finish out this year, kind of in the red. I think next year, all the bullish stuff, all the rate cuts, and the bullish chair coming on the FOMC and the Feds. I think that is going to take a big play, a big part. And I think that next year we are going to see some bullish things when it comes to the markets. Some people are saying we got to wait till 2027, 2028. But I don't know. I don't see that. We didn't really get a euphoric moment in the crypto space. We didn't really get that hype, that hopium in the crypto space. So I think that we are going to have to kind of see. I think everybody was kind of viewing this year as the bullish year. It kind of was for Bitcoin, but I don't think it was for the remainder of the cryptos and the coins. So I do think that we are going to we had that bearish time, and then we're going to get the bullish time coming up. That's just my opinion, not financial advice. But I do think Purpe does have a mind of its own, and it could definitely spike up without the rest of the markets. That is something that I can kind of see a bullish sentiment. What really would be cool is if we kind of come in here, get in the 2.9s, and then we're in this big wedge, and then break out this big wedge, and then I think that would be an equation for success, an equation for everything to kind of move up, get a little bit better, spike a little bit, and call it a day. So very very bullish things coming. Sorry, I was showing this. So we come back up in this wedge right here, and then break that, and then absolutely spike. So that's what I think could happen. I think we got some bullish times ahead of us, and we're around the 2.6s, so that's a bullish thing, and super excited, super hopeful for what is to come. And yeah, like this video, subscribe to the channel. That is the updates I have for you guys today. Nothing too much, just keeping the Purpe vibes alive. Yeah, we got a lot to look forward to. We had our downward time, guys. We can clearly see it. This is pure downward time, so we need that spike, right? We need that spike. It's gonna be, I think it's gonna be like this. It's gonna be like this. I think that's gonna show up right here too. So we have this. We had it kind of die out. Boom, huge spike. This die out. Boom, huge spike. And it ain't gonna just stop. Like right here, they were tricking people. They're like, oh, like right here, like right in here, it came up to hit this all-time high, but then came down, came down a little bit, and then absolutely soared. I think that's going to kind of be what we're going to get. It's going to come up. We're going to go probably kill a 0, get to the 2.9, do like a 10x, get to the 2.9s, and then just absolutely spike, absolutely go up. So I think that's kind of what we're going to have. That's what we're going to see, and that's what's going to probably happen over the next couple weeks and months. So we'll have to see. That's kind of, I think, what we're gonna have to see, and what's gonna happen over that time period. So yeah, anyway, you guys gonna like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below. A little bit shorter one today, but remember, guys, 2 green, 1 red. 1 red, 2 green. So I think that's kind of what we're going to see. I think we're going to see 2 green, maybe like right here in 2019. with a little bit different numbers. I think that's what we're gonna see. So stock up, dollar cost average.